Hi, BC Botanicals. This is video number 2 in your video tutorial series. In the first video, I showed you how to fully use some of the features of Chrome, bookmarks, tabs, and windows in order to get the most out of these video tutorials. As you can see, I'm at my homepage, at your homepage on my website here, Box9 Design /bc-botanicals.html. You can see that here. So here's an early version of, just put up other clients' tutorials here to show you sort of how it will look and how to best use this. Now you're going to want to use this tutorial while you're actually hopefully doing it on your site. So this is where new window comes in. So you're going to use this video tutorial, say. You can just click play, it streams from YouTube, and off it goes. So what I want to do first is to go under the wrench and get a new window going. Bring the first window to the forefront and minimize it sort of just to the size of the tutorial. See how that goes? Kind of get that just like that. And there it is. Having done that, you can then, now this little video is going to be very much smaller than your whole screen, but you can get the idea of moving this tab off to the side and then going to your BC Botanicals front end, and you can do this on this window while watching it on this window. Is this making sense yet? So that's what you do. So I'm going to show you here how to sign into, change your site. You go to Contact Us and go to the staff login here. Enter your username and password, and I'm just going to pause while I put those in just for security reasons. Okay, so I just signed in. I did that off screen just in case somebody happens to get back here. I don't want them to find out your username and password, although there's your username there. So now it says, hi, BC Botanicals, so you know that you're logged in and you get this little log out icon. So pretty much everything that's written on your site, apart from things like little pictures and things, will have a little icon next to it with the right pad on it. So that indicates that you can edit this. So if you ever move or change your phone number or your fax number or what have you, just come here, click this little icon, which that one's not going to work. Let's try the home page. So what have we got here that has an icon next to it? Let's try that one. Now this one, when I hover, I can edit it. The other one's actually a module. That means you can't edit it. So you click on that, it comes back around and it gives you an editor window. Many of you will be familiar with the layout here. Don't worry about all this publishing stuff on the bottom. In fact, I'd prefer that you just not touch that. That's my purview. But here's your article. So if you wanted to say something else here, you just highlight it and change it. Wanted to say something else here, highlight it and change it. Want a different picture, highlight it, and you can see the little picture icon lights up there. It means we've got a picture there. Click on the picture icon. And this brings up all of the different pictures that you can put in there. So seedlings these are these little, there's the fiddle heart, that's pretty self-explanatory, that's what's in there now. You can pick a different seedling and put it in there. So in order to do that, you have to see that this changes, the URL for the photo changes when you click it. And you'll see that it did, so it says seedling 4. It gives you the dimensions. These are in pixels. I believe the dimensions I have currently are about 180 pixels wide, so it's width by height. So if I put 180 in there, and then click on the next box, it'll snap so that it keeps its aspect ratio, it doesn't look wonky. If it doesn't do that, you have to click it again. It'll reset it to its original, go 180, click, now update, and now you've got that picture instead of the fiddle heart. I don't want that one. I want to go back to the original. Actually, I don't even have to do that. This is a good thing to show you. So if I cancel at this point, it will not change the article. If I save, it will. If I go navigate to another page, it will save it, but it'll lock this item down, and you won't be able to do anything with it again until you contact me and I fix it. So make sure you do either one or the other, save or cancel. I'm going to cancel at this point, come back, and you'll see it's still got the fiddle heart there. I'm not sure exactly why this is looking the way it is. Oh, that's the middle article because it's empty, so we don't worry about that. So there's a quick little glimpse at how you change an article. Here's the second article, so you can do the same thing here. Just click it, you get the editor window. Most of your styling is pre-done. These are the headers and things, and I've given different styling to each one of what color it's going to be and what size it's going to be, and things like that. So I'd prefer you didn't mess with the styling. This has bold, you can italic, you can underline. You can just sort of give it bullets, either numbered or just with the little dots. You can add links to text if you wanted this to actually link to other text. You would put in, say it's something for Medical Marijuana Canada, you'd put in with their web address, http:// is, believe it or not, I have to put in there first, and then just write whatever the web address is, canadianmedicalmarijuana.com. I'll cancel that. Oh, the second part of that is when you do that, you want to set the target to open in a new window so that they don't navigate away from your website every time there's an interesting link. You want to keep people on that website for as long as you can. That's going to conclude this video tutorial. In the next one, we're going to talk about how to access the back end and look at visitor statistics, which are really fun. At the end of your session, of course, you want to come to the staff login on the Contact Us page and log out again, and then you're back to where you started. There you go.